Astronomers around the world, both amateur and professional, were studying the active region, or AR 13229. We know them as a Sunspot group also. For a while, it takes around 10 days or 2 weeks sometimes, depending on the visibility, to pass the face of the sun, and then we had this solar flare. Has the potential to cause a sunquake, earthquakes inside the sun, and the potential also that actually reached the Earth is also directed toward the northward, but it may reach the southern part of it, the lower part of it may reach the Earth. Sunquakes, when the energy of the sun is directed in one direction, it may actually backfire on the inner part of the sun, create what we call the sunquake. Or seismic activity on the sun. Solar flares are, as you can see here, are the breakage in the magnetic field of the sun. They can release a lot of particles, charged particles, which can be dangerous, They're practically like electricity, very much stronger. And in the space, they travel with a very high speed, not the speed of light, but very high speed because they have mass, they are not photons. And when they reach the Earth, they can deflect the magnetic field of the Earth, affects it in a negative way. If during one of these magnetic reversals of the magnetic field of the Earth, magnetic poles of the Earth, they arrived on the Earth, we may have very dangerous situation. Otherwise, we will have just a normal aurora or some power outages or damage to our, satellites. Rarely on anything on the surface of the Earth. But in the case that causes, it will have an effect on radio communication, radio telescopes, health hazard even for the people, and who knows, we have a lot of mutations if that lasts a long time, or even the death of the many forms of life. Our prediction is that this solar flare, the part of it, southern part of it, will reach Earth on the 27th of February, and we are waiting for that. There is no worry in that case that we have yet the magnetic field healthy and running.